Introducing the Lumex Adjustable Height Versaframe. The Lumex Versaframe is designed to add support and enhance safety while toileting by providing handles to help individuals to sit and stand. Contoured armrests are designed to add comfort and provide an excellent gripping surface. The arm height and arm width is adjustable. How to install. 1. Remove the existing toilet seat. 2. Place mounting bracket on flat surface of the bowl and align the holes. Ensure the mounting bracket tube is toward the rear, closest to the tank. 3. Replace the toilet seat over mounting bracket, inserting bolts through the mounting bracket holes and into the toilet seat mounting holes. Replace the original nuts and tighten. 4. Depress the push buttons and install the arms and the mounting bracket as shown. 5. Adjust width of the Versaframe arms by engaging push buttons in the desired holes in the mounting bracket tube. 6. Ensure mounting bracket push buttons are locked in place before use. To adjust the height. 1. Adjust height by depressing the lower leg height adjustment button, twisting the lower leg, and moving the leg to the desired height. 2. When the desired height is reached, twist the lower leg until you hear the height adjustment button click into place. 3. Ensure that the height adjustment push buttons are locked in place and both legs are adjusted to the same height before use. How to maintain the product. Inspect the Versaframe weekly and tighten it as needed to ensure secure installation. Check all the rubber tips for tears, rips, or wear. If any of these conditions exist, replace the tips immediately. How to clean. Never use abrasive cleaners or scouring pads on any part of the Versaframe. To clean the Versaframe, wash it with soap and water or a mild detergent, then rinse it with water. The Lumex Adjustable Versaframe is designed to help keep you independent while toileting. For more information, visit us online at www.gramfield.com or contact your local provider.